we are going to be getting ready to go to the low carb store. I'm having one of those days, those struggle days, dieting struggle days, or like, I don't feel like dieting, but like, I gotta stop using the word dieting. Healthy weight loss, lifestyle change. I know, because if you don't look at it as dieting and you just look at it as a lifestyle change, then it does have an impact, because it really does start in the head. Anytime I've tried to lose weight, it really is a mindset thing. It actually starts in your mind. And once you can kind of get tunnel view on like, I want to lose weight, and have a tunnel view, that helps so much. You know what? This is why I like YouTube, because I'm encouraging myself, encouraging other people. Hopefully I'm encouraging other people. But yeah, I'm just having one of those days. But we are going to be going and doing a grocery haul at the low carb grocery store. We're in Toronto, and we have a low carb grocery store, which I'm actually in love with. So I'm going to take you guys along. I've done videos on here before of the low carb grocery store because I'm so in love with it. But yeah, so we're going to go through today and get some, snacks and items that helps us a lot on this journey. So I'll take you guys along and show you some of the stuff we're getting and some of the items that they have there. You can also order them online if you're in Canada. I don't think they ship to the States yet. I'll actually confirm that and let you guys know, but definitely if you're in Canada, you can order them online. So come along, guys, and let's chipper up. If you're not feeling like being on this weight loss journey and you're just kind of tired of it, you can do it. We can do it. Let's chipper up. Let's, make the plan for what we're eating today. If you're going to go to the gym, if you're going to go for a walk, let's do it. Okay, so here we are. We're going to Costco. We're just going to pick up a few items that we use. We're going to be getting one of these. Well, more than one. Probably more like 3 or 4 because we eat it quite a bit. It's a keto low carb wrap. And it is really good. 90 calories if you're looking at calories, but the fiber is 20 and the carbohydrates 22. You have to take away the fiber from the carbohydrates, so it's net 2 grams of carbs for each one. And we use it for so many things. We use it to make wraps, to make homemade pizza. It's actually really, really, really delicious, and you get a good amount from Costco. You also get these. Man really loves these. Hold on. And I will show you guys the sun. 0 carbs. And they're great to have in the morning. And it's only $16.99. You get a big box of it. So yeah. And we are also getting this. And I will show you guys. So it's at Costco. And it is only 1 gram of carbs, which is also good. We really like this one a lot. $12.99. We're getting both of these. We kept it pretty light at Costco, which is magical because we always come here and just overspend. But we knew we were just coming here for a couple things because we are going to be going to the low carb grocery store. We have arrived to the low carb grocery store. Right there is the website, the low carb grocery store, that you can actually order in Canada, and they do deliver because I have ordered before and delivered. So yeah, we're going in. We're gonna be getting some rice and pasta. Here they have the angel hair pasta. I'm gonna get a couple of these. I'm gonna get 4 of these. Okay, and then where is our rice? Up here. So here they have some rice. Give me one of those. Let me show them show everyone the back of it. So 4 grams of carbs, 4 grams of fiber, and this is the brand that we get. And we like it a lot. This is what we use. So we'll get a couple of these. It has so many options, guys, that you can order. The one I showed you is the one that we always get. And then we always get this angel hair pasta. You have to wash it really good though. 6 grams of carbs, 6 grams of fiber. So 0 net carbs. This, like, rinse it really well. Like, we rinse it like 3 or 4 times before using it, but I really like it a lot. So that is what we're getting for rice and pasta. And we do get a couple because we're gonna make pasta sauce. That's one of our keto meals for the week. And we are going to be making like chicken and rice. And yeah, just a few items where, oh, you guys, is this the one? Yeah, this is the one, right, Ren?
Yeah.
You guys have to try this. Mashed potatoes, low carb mashed potatoes, okay? 4 grams of carbs, 2 grams of fiber, so it's only 2 net carbs for 1/3 of the package. This is really good. We actually got some last week. I think we'll get another one. It's really good to have like meatloaf, low carb meatloaf. Yeah, it's just good. So definitely recommend this. And we're gonna be getting this Hunt's pasta sauce, no sugar added. 5 grams of carbs for half a cup. So got to keep that in mind when using it. So yeah, here are my favorites. We are going to be getting some Atkins bars. Oh my gosh, I love these. Like, I can't say enough about this. This is good. We're gonna get this. Let's put that in our little cart thingy. These are good. Where's the Kit Kat? Oh no, they're out of the Kit Kat. Okay, we're getting a bunch of these. We get these. Okay, let me show you guys some of the backs. 22 grams of carbs. You know you have to take away the sugar alcohols. So you take away the sugar alcohols and the dietary fiber, and that's the net carbs that you were left with. Right? So it's 2 net carbs. One of these, they're so good. I can't say enough good things. Okay, so we're going to be also getting this. I'm gonna like line them up. We're getting. And this one, this one's also pretty good. This is pretty good. Yeah. Are the barbecue sauces that we like. Guys, it's really good. This one, called Guys. And it is 2 net carbs. So we're going to be getting it 2 net carbs per serving. I always have to remember that it's to show that it is per serving, 2 tablespoons. Okay, and they have different flavors. So we generally get this one, but they do have other flavors. Yeah, so smoky garlic, smoky bacon. I'm showing you guys a spicy. We get those spicy and the original. So yeah, we'll get some barbecue. Okay, so we're cashing out. So there you have it. We're finished our low carb grocery shopping. I'm definitely going to show you guys some of the meals that we made with the items that we got both from Costco and the low carb grocery store. And yeah, if you're in Canada, you can definitely order from the low carb grocery store. They're great. They have so many different items that you can use to make, like, you know, keto or low carb meals. So, you know, if you're having one of those days where you're tired of being on the low carb or whatever weight loss journey you're on, be encouraged. We can do it. 1 meal at a time. Hey, that's gonna be my new slogan. 1 meal at a time. We can definitely get it done 1 meal at a time. You just have to make items that you actually enjoy eating and look forward to eating. And you know, just fill your house with those items. I think that helps a lot to have items that you actually look forward to eating. Okay, so I will see you guys in the next video.